Okay, so here you're asked to find values of the sine and cosine angles, and this can be done without a calculator. You can look at the unit circle, or you can convert them into, or sometimes you have to convert these to coterminal angles that are between 0 and 2 pi, or 0 to 360 degrees. First one, you can just look at the unit circle, and this is 1/2. There's really nothing else to do here. Same with the second one, this is -1/2. These just, you have to look at the unit circle and you have to, or just have these angles memorized as to where they are. Part C, you can do directly if you're clever, but you can, because the issue is that this is not an angle between 0 and 2 pi radians. So you can say that this is the same as its coterminal counterpart, which you can get by adding 2 pi to this. That doesn't change the value of the sine. And so 2 pi minus pi over 4 gives you 7 pi over 4, because 2 pi is, this is 8 pi over 4, so you can find a common denominator. You get 7 pi over 4, and this is then -√2 over 2, because you can look at this angle is now between 0 and 2 pi, so it appears on the unit circle diagram, and you can read off its angle, or its sine value. Same thing with part D, this is already on, it's an angle between 0 and 2 pi, so its sine value is square root of 3 over 2. Just look at the value for that. Something like part G here, this is not between 0 and 2 pi, right? Because so you can find its coterminal counterpart, and because it's bigger, you need to subtract 2 pi. Because 7 divided by 3 is more than 2. So it's you need to subtract. If you added, you would be getting further from where you need to be. So subtracting, we can write 2 pi as, well, we need something over 3, so we can write it as 6 pi over 3, and then do 7, that from 7, and so you get that this is the sine of pi over 3, and this is in the first quadrant. Its value is √3 over 2. Part I, the last one here. Actually, no, should probably do this one. So this, again, it's a negative angle, so it's not between 0 and 360 degrees, but you can add 360 to it to find its coterminal part. So -30 plus 360 degrees. You're adding here because it's a negative angle, so you need to make it positive. You need to bring it back into the 0 to 360 range. So this is the sine of 300 degrees. I'm sorry, not 300, 330. And this is √3 over 2.